Hello my friends! Do you know that coconuts are widely used in food, fuel, and even construction materials? Join us on a journey through tropical paradises as we delve into the wonders of this unique fruit. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the exciting exploration journey in this captivating video. Were you aware that coconut oil is not just an ordinary oil? It's actually extracted from the kernel or meat of mature coconuts, and it's a real multitasker. Thanks to its high saturated fat content, it has a superpower. It oxidizes slowly. That means it can hang around for up to 6 months at 24 degrees Celsius without spoiling. Now, isn't that fascinating? To produce coconut oil, mature coconut pulp is first carefully separated and used as the raw material for extraction. The coconut meat is then grated or sliced and dried, either in the sun or in an oven. Coconut oil is packed with medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid and antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage. Additionally, it may aid in boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning. The dried coconut meat can be separated from the oil through 2 methods: pressing and cold pressing. Pressing involves a mechanical press, which can yield high amounts of oil. Heat may be applied during this process, resulting in unrefined or cracked coconut oil. Unrefined coconut oil goes through chemical and physical processes to remove undesirable odors and flavors, resulting in a lighter color and more neutral taste in refined coconut oil. If you're a fan of coconut products, don't forget to drop a comment. You know, coconut growing is quite popular here. But if you're planning to start growing your own coconuts, you must pay special attention to propagating the young plants with the best coconuts. That means being picky and choosing only the best dried coconuts from highly productive mother trees. It's all part of the journey. Let me tell you, it will pay off in the long run. Now, let me tell you, growing coconuts ain't no overnight affair. It takes a solid 3 years from the moment that young saplings break through the soil till we see our first harvest. But hang tight, because there are some coconut types that'll keep you waiting for a good 25 to 30 years before they really hit their stride. And when they finally do, they can churn out a whopping 200 to 300 fruits per tree per year. Now, ain't that a sight to behold? Coconut is one of the most vital crops in tropical countries, especially in Southeast Asia. To harvest coconuts properly and achieve high quality, farmers need to follow several important steps. Firstly, it's crucial to choose the right time for harvesting. When coconuts are ripe, the meat inside is sweet and fatty, making it the best time for harvesting. Before harvesting, coconuts should be inspected to ensure they're not damaged or dead. Cracked coconuts won't fetch a high commercial value and are prone to disease. For low coconut trees, harvesting is as simple as cutting the coconuts. However, harvesting mature coconut trees can be quite challenging and somewhat dangerous. People either climb the coconut tree or use a long-handled sickle attached to a tall enough tree to reach the coconuts and cut them down. An interesting aspect of coconut harvesting is that farmers often open the coconuts on the spot to drink the coconut water. Coconut water has a sweet and refreshing taste, making it an excellent thirst quencher. Depending on their intended use, coconuts are taken to different processing facilities. Dehusking a coconut requires skill and care. While somewhat hazardous, it's the most common method. To dehusk a dried coconut, you first need to secure it. If you don't have specialized tools, you can stabilize the coconut shell using both hands on a table or the ground. In these factories, once the coconuts are dehusked, 1 or 2 operators manually load them onto the machine. During the first stage, the coconuts are placed individually into designated cups located on 2 channels on the left side of the machine. They're then transferred to the cutting area, where each coconut is gripped by 2 clamps. A blade makes the initial horizontal incision around the coconut. After dehusking, the coconuts are released from the gripping device, collected and transferred to the front for reloading in preparation for the second stage. Coconut milk, a versatile and delightful ingredient, is produced simply yet meticulously. First, the white flesh of the coconut is finely ground and blended with water. This mixture is then filtered to extract the rich coconut cream. Through centrifugation, the cream is separated into cream and liquid milk. The cream is further condensed to achieve a thicker consistency. Finally, the cream undergoes pasteurization, a heating and cooling process that ensures its safety by eliminating harmful microorganisms and prolonging its shelf life. After the peeling process, the dry husk of coconut fiber undergoes a unique transformation. Similar to cotton, it's beaten and then woven into mighty strong ropes using a weaving machine. These ropes serve a wide range of needs for folks, showcasing the versatility of coconuts. It's truly remarkable how every part of the coconut can be put to good use, leaving nothing to waste. The second hard shell of the coconut, also known as the coconut shell, will undergo a grinding process into many different sizes before being pressed and packaged. But what are they used for, you ask? Well, this material boasts a light and airy structure, making it ideal for retaining water. It releases water slowly, allowing the plant to absorb it effectively. This makes it a great choice for growing in hydroponic and aeroponic systems. The hard core of the coconut can be transformed into exquisite decorations and even charming nightlights. These creations are not only beautiful, also add a touch of elegance to any space. If you're amazed by what you're witnessing, be sure to leave a like for this video. Let's show our appreciation for the dedication and creativity poured into crafting such remarkable items from these humble coconuts. The versatility of coconuts knows no bounds. Rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, magnesium and calcium, it fuels the body, bolsters the immune system, and shields against cardiovascular diseases and cancer. In the culinary realm, coconut water serves as a refreshing drink on its own or as a base for juices, smoothies, and desserts. Coconut features prominently in various dishes, from coconut rice to coconut cake and sweet soups. Beyond the kitchen, coconut benefits beauty products like coconut oil, shower gels, and lotions. If you ever find yourself in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand or Vietnam, fret not about quenching your thirst. Just head on over to one of those roadside coconut water stands, and you'll find just what you need. Around these parts, folks prefer their coconut water straight from the source. No fancy processing for them. Just peel off that soft skin, crack open the top, and you'll be sipping on some of the tastiest coconut water your taste buds ever met. And if you're really looking to cool off on a hot day, toss in some ice, and you'll be right as rain. Well, take a look at this coconut jelly factory in Thailand. They're crafting some delicious treats, let me tell you. First, they pour coconut water into a bowl and cook it up to make the jelly. Then, they carve out the hard core of the coconut to create a fancy cup-like shape. Once the jelly's cooked, they pour it back into the original core. Now, isn't that something? Those Thai folks sure know how to turn a humble coconut into a tasty delight. Every part of the coconut tree can be fully utilized. Even the leaves of the tree can be repurposed into useful items, such as brooms like these.